Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to turn off your headlights on a 2025 model vehicle. Whether you're a new driver, just got a shiny new car, or simply forgot how this works, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. It's all about safety, saving your battery, and avoiding those awkward moments when your lights stay on longer than they should. So, let's jump right in. First things first, locate the headlight control. In most 2025 models, you'll find a stalk on the left side of your steering column. It's designed for easy access, so give it a quick glance. This stalk controls your lights, wipers, and sometimes turn signals, so it's a key player in your dashboard setup. Step 1. Make sure your car is in park or safely stopped. Safety always comes first. Now, gently grasp the stalk and look for the rotary switch at its end. For standard 2025 vehicles, twist the switch clockwise or counterclockwise until you see the off indicator. If your car has automatic headlights, which many 2025 models do for better efficiency, you might need to override that setting. Check your dashboard for an auto icon. If it's lit up, switch it to manual mode by twisting the stalk further. Once you've adjusted it, verify that your headlights are off by stepping out of the car or glancing at the front. If they're still on, double-check the stalk position. Sometimes it's as simple as a slight misalignment. Pro tip: if you have advanced features like adaptive headlights, refer to your owner's manual for specifics, as 2025 models often include smart tech that adjusts based on light conditions. And there you have it, easy as that. Turning off your headlights not only prevents battery drain but also ensures you're road ready. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips on cars and tech. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.